Hello everybody, Dave Smalley, Geeks Garage, working on my squirrel picnic table. My nail gun didn't feel like working, and I looked at the compressor and there was zero. I had left it on, flipped it on off, nothing's happening. Switched the plugs around just in case my plug was bad. The plug is good. It's currently off. On. Or I got live power. I like these that have a light in them so you know they're live. And I'll flip it on, nothing, flip it off. Okay, so I got nothing. Nothing at all. So, got a multimeter here, good old Harbor Freight multimeter, Syntec. So I already did this part. I'll just show you what you should do to check your fuse. Now I don't know what I'm doing here, okay? I know how to check fuses, but I really don't know what I'm doing. I've watched another YouTube video that's sitting up there right now. Let's put this to, all right, set to audio ohms. Let's see if you see it. All right, it's a little Syntec. And ohms is this funky looking symbol here. It's resistance, and it's set to audio. And what that means in English is when I have a connection, it goes beep. I hope you can hear that little beep. So when you have a connection, you get a beep. Here's the fuse. The fuse was then loose, and I thought, oh, that might be the reason, but no, it wasn't. And it doesn't matter, plus or minus, whichever you do. It's just saying, do you have a connection? You hear it? Nice clean beep, so my fuse is good. That's the easy thing to fix. In looking at videos of how to repair these things, they talk about a reset button. This one does not have a reset button that I can see. But I've still got the instructions there. I don't see anything resembling a reset button. Okay. Plug. Right. I always want my stuff unplugged. If I'm going to play around with electrical, I'm going to be the first person to admit to you that I do not know much about electricity, and I'm scared of it flat out. Okay, should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I believe taking these out, Phillips. They say it's Phillips. I don't see it. I don't feel it. Great. He said number 1 Phillips, which is tiny. I didn't believe it, but maybe I'm gonna have to. How do we do a flashlight this thing? Here we go. Oh, that looks big enough. I just missed it. Wow. I'm incompetent. I can't put a Phillips screwdriver into a Phillips screw. There it is. Okay, set it to out. Okay, see if I can get the other side. There it is. Comes the handle nice and neat with the screws still sitting in it. I like to leave the screws in whatever thing I'm working on. Alright, how about you guys? You're going to be hard to get. Oh, there we go. Screws coming with it. I like magnetic stuff. Magnetic screwdrivers and sockets. Oh, got a little trick I'll show you in a second here. Alright, so let's get them all loose. Okay, see it's trying to come out and I want to leave it in there. And one more. There it is. And again, it's trying to come with it. I want it to stay there. That little trick. I just mentioned I like to leave the screws right there where they go. But if I flip this over, they're going to fall out. So I just throw a little piece of tape on it. Keeps the screw where it belongs. Some people are more organized than me and know how to put screws in a little box and keep their track of where they go. Yeah. I do that too, and I usually screw up. I forget, where does this one go? So this helps me not have to remember. All right, let's see what's in here. Wiggle, wiggle, come on, baby. Okay. Not much, right? 3 wires. So here's the switch, here's the fuse. This wire goes to the fuse. Okay, I don't know if you can see in here. Alright, so we got, here's where the power comes in. The black wire from the power goes to this side. Then there's a little black wire that goes to the fuse, and this black wire goes to this thing. There's supposed to be a, quote, bridge rectifier in here. I don't see a bridge rectifier in here. So this is different than the video. One thing he did was he spun it to make sure it still works. It still works. Oh my God. The lettering on this thing is BTMEAC. And to me, it just told me, bite me, I'm AC. Because again, what I thought I was going to be doing was testing a bridge rectifier. But I don't see a bridge rectifier in here. Too funny. I wonder what that thing is. I have no idea what this thing is. Well, so much for that, I guess. This machine, I'm going to guess, is 4 or 5 years old. Decent little compressor. But I'm not sure what I'm stymied right now. Let's. I'm trying not to upstage the work, but I got to come around there and take a look. It just looks like, yeah, I don't see this thing they call the bridge, right? I see the ground. I got a ground over there. That's good. I always like to see ground. That's the green wire in your AC stuff. Yeah, don't have the plug in front of me. If a plug has a ground wire, guys, make sure you use it. This is the AC feed. That's the ground wire. That's the green. Always the green. Don't disable that, or you might die. Yeah, I don't know what this thing is over here. It doesn't look easy to get to. Yeah, I'd have to take out quite a bit of stuff. Oh, I noticed that the one I own versus the one that the guy was working on, this is a piece of rubber hose, cheaper, and his was an actual tube. The head looks the same. Yeah, everything looks in good condition. Nothing's burnt, nothing smells. Okay. I guess I'm going to stop the video. I was unable to do anything productive. I'm going to look up what bite me AC means. And you don't need to watch me do that. Okay, guys. So much for that. Bye.